Okay, Donovan to Shelby. We're going to make some changes on this. We will find the net pay eventually, but I want to work on gross pay today. Okay, find the gross pay. Gross pay, pay before deductions. That means write this down, my pay before they take money away from me. Okay. Now, who's they? We'll talk about that when we get to it. But it's my pay before they take money away from me. Okay, so right now, today, we're only worried about these two things. All this is for net, is for the money they take away. We'll have to figure that out eventually. But for now, let's just find our gross pay. But you want to set it up neatly so you're in a good position to do that on the next assignment. Okay, so first question you have to ask yourself, did you work over 40 hours? Well, here's 50 hours, so yes. Okay? So if that answer is yes, we have regular time and overtime. Okay, here I'll write. Okay? So you need to set up two columns, the regular and the overtime. Write the two words down. That means you work more hours than 40. Here's how you find regular. It's very easy. It's your dollar pay. So the hour, that's $8.25 times, and you're always going to times that by 40 hours because that's your regular pay. So 40 hours. So 8.25 times 40 is 330. So that's $330. Now your overtime pay. Couple things you got. You got to take your money paid. Now you get paid more when you work overtime. You take your money pay times 1.5. So I take this times 1.5. Okay. 1.5. So 8.25 times 1.5, 12.378, but that'll become $12.38. So $12.38. Okay, now to find the hours, because you're going to take it times in hours, you want to take your hours minus 40. Okay? So I subtract 40 from that. 50 minus 40. 50 minus 40 is 10. Okay? So that's 10. So I take $12.38 times 10, and that's going to be 123.8. So that's $123.80. Okay? And now you plus the two together. So you add. So 330 plus 123.80, that's 453.8. So that'd be $453.80. Okay, now keep that there for now. That's as far as I want you to get for these. Okay, again, I'm just concerned about these two things here today. Did you work over 40 hours? Answer is yes. So again, I need my regular and I mean my overtime. So the regular, take your money pay times 40 hours. So my money pay is $10.50. And I want to only times that by 40, okay? And put hours there so you know what it means, okay? $420 for my regular pay. Okay, now for my overtime pay. Take your money pay times 1.5 because you make more with overtime. So you multiply it by 1.5. Okay, so because it's money times, let's some hours. So $15.75. Okay, so now your hours, you want to subtract 40 because I already have 40 hours over here. So I need to minus 40, and 43 minus 40 is 3. Okay, so 3 hours. $47.25. Okay, then again, you add. Okay, $467.25. Remember, that's what I make, but they're going to take some money away from me, which I will figure out later. Okay, probably on the next assignment. Okay, hours worked 70. Okay, hourly wage $12. Okay, so circle that. Did you work over 40 hours? Yes. So again, regular and overtime, because you did work overtime. You know that. Okay, so regular. Some money paid times 40 hours, okay? 12 times 40 is 480. Now your overtime pay, okay? Take your money pay times 1.5, so multiply by 1.5. That's 18, so $18. Okay, and then hours minus 40. Okay, so take 70 minus 40, and that's 30. Okay, so 30 hours. Remember, label, money and hours. And that's $540. Now add. $1,020. We will deal with this information tomorrow. So $1,020. Okay, I'm going to do the first two along with you. Okay, again, we're just worried about this. Okay, yes, it's over 40, so regular and overtime, because you worked longer than you had to, so you get a bonus. So hourly pay is $10.50 times 40. Or times 40 hours. Put hours there so you know what you're doing. Okay, overtime. Got to take your pay times 1.5. So you got to times that by 1.5. Okay, $15.75. Okay, now figure out the number of hours by subtracting 40, because I already put the 40 down here, so that means I get as minus 40 from 48. 48 minus 40 is 8. Okay, so 10.50 times 40 is $420. Then $15.75 times 8 is $126. Okay, then again, add. $546. Okay, now I want to change the game a little bit. Cross that out, and I want you to put 32 hours, just because I want you 32. So let's just circle that so we can ignore all the other stuff. Did you work over 40 hours? No. This time it's no. So it's just regular. Regular is very easy. You simply go with your money pay, which is $8, times the number of hours, which in this case is 32. So 8 times 32 is 256. So if the answer is no, we're just taking the money pay times the hours.